Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry RVs. Today I get to show you the all-new Forest River R-Pod. This is the 193. This is a 2021 and a half. So this is what the 2022s are going to look at like. They have some new color schemes that I really like, and I'm excited to see what you all think about it. So this is the new R-Pod. This is the 193 bunkhouse with a slide. This is a floor plan that came out about a year ago, and we've had several in and they sell really quick. A lot of consumers like this. The weight on this trailer is under 3,600 pounds. This is part of the 7-foot wide series of R-Pods, which is the bigger R-Pod compared to the 6.5 foot wide that they traditionally come out with. It gives you a little bit more room inside and a little bit more options to do what with the floor plans. Still has the teardrop style shape, right? Has the rubber roof up there, windshield up front here, diamond plate rock guard down to protect from anything that might kick up from the road. Comes with the battery disconnect as well. Exact weight on it there is 3,545 pounds. Comes with a single propane bottle and a power tongue jack. Makes for easy hooking and unhooking. Literally just push the button and up and down it goes. Does have stabilizing jacks on all four corners, and does have storage here in this pass-through door, magnetic catch door here, but this pass-through storage compartment here is finished out nicely, lino on the floor, so easy to clean. And the reason they get these trailers so light is they're built with aluminum. It's more expensive to build them that way, but it's lighter than wood. Makes it easier to tow. For those of you towing this with an SUV and something of that sort, you'll be able to tow this with your 5,000 pound towing capacity. Has a slide out here. This slide is prepped for a slide topper, which makes it nice if you want to add that to keep the sticks and debris off the top of your slide room. Nice alloy wheel there, 15-inch wheel. Has a water heater right here. That's a direct spark ignition water heater. What that means is you flip a switch and this water heater lights itself. You don't need to come out here with your little lighter and burn off your finger to try to light that. A little bit of outside storage there. Coming around to the rear, in the 7-foot wide R-Pods, you get a ladder to get up onto the roof and do your roof maintenance. Also has a solar quick connect up there on the roof, so it's prepped for solar. And you can quickly connect that through the port up there on the roof. Does have a power awning, comes out over the door, notice that. And I just love this. It's kind of retro but kind of modern scheme on the outside here. Outside speakers up top, so it's gonna, the acoustics is gonna bounce off the awning really nicely. Now on these boxes here, I didn't open them because I want the new customer to be able to open their new boxes. It's like a present. But what's inside of there is going to be a grill and a work table. And it's going to slide on this bar right here. And you're going to have what they call the Bush kitchen, which is an option on these R-Pods. That's not a standard feature. That is an option. Also has the spray port here and black tank flush for your toilet tank. Again, this is the 193 Forest River R-Pod. It's a Forest River product, which partners with KOA Campgrounds to send kids who have cancer to camp and just get them out and having fun. This is Asdel fiberglass. What that means is the backer plate to the fiberglass is not a Luan wood material. It's a composite material. Benefit of that is it's lighter and it also doesn't soak up water as wood does. All right, so coming in inside here, this trailer is small, but it has a good feel in here. That's due to the slide out room. So you have a lot of floor space in here, and this is 100% linoleum, so super easy to clean too. But someone could be anywhere in the kitchen here, and another person can be passing behind, so you don't get that bottleneck area in the kitchen. A really nice light wood color really opens up the feel to this trailer as well compared to the dark wood colors that a lot of other brands are still using. It does have the dual mode RV refrigerator, so when you're out boondocking, this refrigerator is going to work off of battery power and propane. Now when you're at your nice fancy campsite, that'll work off electricity. Has a pantry in here. Good amount of countertop space. And what's there, it's extended by this glass top over your 2-burner range here. Also has the efficient convection oven. And I love this big circular basin sink with a nice modern high-rise faucet. And check out the bathroom, and then we'll turn around and I'll show you the cool bed up here. So the bathroom's all in one. It's a dry bath, meaning the toilet's not in the shower, which a lot of little trailers, that's the case. The toilet's separate. Enough room to use the toilet. Enough room really to get dressed in here in the mornings, or the undressed in the evenings, or maybe you do that the other way. I don't know. It has a skylight up here, big shower, and then beside the shower we have a linen area, so you can put your extra toilet paper there, you can put your extra towels there. Nice space for that. And then in here we have the whole trailer. This is in the bathroom, but this fan doesn't just work for the bathroom. This will work for the whole trailer because it's the oversized fan. And with how they build these, they leave a gap at the top of the bathroom door, so you can open up a window up here by the couch, and that'll really exhaust this whole trailer out. Both bunk beds are the Teddy Bunk finished mattress, which is a nice thick comfortable mattress to sleep on. You can see the weight capacity there of these bunks, and they're, you know, I'm 6 foot tall, and I'd say they're about that long as well. I didn't bring my tape measure out here, but I can lay down on these and not be curled up like a hermit crab. It does have USB ports on both. Nice window down here, and also a window up here. Both bunks have windows. All right, so the couch, I've got the table in the travel mode here, but that table is just like a picnic table. You can take that outside if you want. You can put it in front of this couch here, put it in front of this couch here. Now, there's 2 couches in this, and you might say to yourself, Mike, why did they do 2 couches? Well, it increases your seating area, and this front couch is actually your bed, which I'll show you here in a second. A little bit of another wardrobe here. So you have sock drawer, you have your underwear drawers, and then you have your hanging closet there. These here go on both sides of the couch as your armrest. Alright, so I'm going to set this camera down, and I'm going to show you how this bed works. So the couch will flip down flat, and the bed will come right over top of it. And I hope my camera doesn't fall down. I hope that caught that well. This is a nice big, about a queen size bed up front here, and just really maximizes that space, opens this up. You have a lot of natural light coming from the windows there when the blinds are open, and then you have good viewing to your TV. Now this TV is on a swing arm, so you can bring it out here a little bit and be able to view it at a better angle from the couch as well. So inside speakers, I pointed out that the outside speakers, and then also I want to show you this. Underneath the couch, they really do a very nice job maximizing space. You have a lot of storage under here. This is the all new ARPod 193. I wanted to show you the new colors, show you the floor plan too, because you might not have seen it. These have been very popular. So if you would like something like this, or want to see the other ARPod models, want more information, pricing, yada, 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 I'm going to post links down there right below this video. So make sure you click on that. A lot of your questions going to get answered there. Also, financing is available with approved credit. Super low rates right now. Lock them in like a lot of customers have done this past year before interest rates go up. They've never been this low, particularly with RV loans. Also, trade-ins are welcome. And also, I'll put a little review tab down there too, because you probably don't know who we are. So check us out there in those reviews. Thanks for watching, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day. Do something fun. Take care.